Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that what happens when my car, truck, SUV or bikes these wheel bearings damage and goes broken totally. In that case it happens these parts in here, these are bearings, and in now my case they are almost totally stuck. When we look at they don't move like in new one. These parts are new one like in that one. This is original Toyota's wheel bearing. These parts moves silently. Listen. So well and well lubricated, and these parts are so tight together. But then after, when we have drive this like in Toyota case plus 200,000 miles or 400,000 kilometers, these parts burn out and they became to loosen like in that way, and finally these parts go stuck. Look, and then this is like automatic full brake, and our wheel bearing is totally stuck, and after that we notice that hey, what is wrong when this our wheel is not moving, or then this part totally flies to away to garden or park in this. And this is thing, and now we can see that in my case there are two rows of these ball bearings, one in here and one in here. Now when I move that a little bit away, I can take these all parts away. Nice engineering, and look at how nicely there are those ball bearings. And now when I move that even more, there's one extra wheel, and finally this is like wheel hub, and this bearings belongs in here. And now in my case now we can see that there is nicely ball bearings in here and in both areas, and this is nice engineering in here and in here. This is cool stuff. There are both bearings in this area, in here and in here, and that area is normally full of grease.